The Ghana cluster of the Accelerating Impacts of the CGIAR Climate Research for Africa as part of its efforts to make Ghana's agriculture and food systems more resilient in the face of climate change is, together with the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, working with local, regional and international partners to improve farmers' access to climate information services and technology and innovations that underpins climate-smart agriculture. Dr. Joseph Adwako is a plant pathologist with Crop Research Institute.
What actually we are doing here, when we came for the need assessment, we realized that most of the varieties, that the maize varieties they grow, were not tolerant to diseases, to pests, and also to the stress of drought. So when they came, they gave us that challenge and they presented that as their major challenge. So through the AICCRA project, we introduced 6 new varieties which have been developed by the CSR Crop Research Institute and its sister institute, the Savannah Agricultural Research Institute in Tamale. So these varieties that we introduced are stress tolerant, which that means they are tolerant to droughts, to insects, pests, and to diseases.
The project is using its demonstration plots to showcase and introduce farmers to climate-smart agriculture innovations such as improved crop or seed varieties in some selected communities in the Bono East region.
This is what we brought to them, and as we can all see from the fields compared to what they do and what we did, we can see the clear difference. That one, we are using less stakes for the stakes. 2, we have minimized land wastage. That's on the same piece of land as the DS. We are having more population of the yam. 2, we can also realize that our foliage is more or less disease-free, so very green with less amount of disease compared to what the farmer practice, because they do not treat the soil or anything.
Kintampo North Municipal Director of Agriculture, Simon Yambore, on his part, noted that the new farming methods will help improve the farmers' income base as well as help with food security in the country.
If you look at the farmers' fields, it's still looking green now, whilst these improved varieties, they are all dry and you can harvest now. But these farmers' varieties, they still need rain. So the varieties are very important. When they adopt it, it's going to help the farmer to increase their yield, improve their income base, and then there will be total improved food security in the country.
Some of the beneficiary farmers shared with Joy News what they learned in the process and are optimistic that the climate-smart farming method will help improve their yield and income.
I've learned something about how to increase your yam mounds. And then we also learned something about, we were raising yam mounds, but I wasn't know that we use the lines to plant a yam. But as the agricultural factory, I've seen that we can also use lines to plant a yam.
Ofia, yadi na yadono, kawum. You say, ya mwachira ya say yambo len no. Ya boya no yadda afonka karka wubballen ba kwa abashirin yadda no nanyina mfaso na yanya afro wo afu adwumade na muribre no.
The AICCRA project has in all 31 demonstration plots in 22 communities across 6 regions in the country, including 6 farming communities here in the Bono East region. Anna Sabit, Joy News. Admano in the Kintampo North Municipality.